Part of the Filipino.
A part of the Filipino, shining through.
He even has a piece of Berlin Wall. Wow.
Is it hot? Anyway.
Where is my chatty line? Hello, it's her first flight today. Are you happy? Are you excited? There's mommy.
Ilan tayo lahat? 1, 2, 3.
That's
Pinagtabi ko sila. Ay, so, nakikita ba ko doon? TV ko. Ay, ganti namin.
Are you ready to fly? Part of the Filipino.
A part of the Filipino, shining through.
I'm also here.
What we want sa tuwang Bacolod. Pabuhay.
First flight.
Welcome to the port here in 2 pieces.
Sexy mo naman, anak.
Bound for Bacolod. If the Bacolod is air traffic status, so assisted by First Officer Cabrito, is scheduled to have it inside. Our estimated flight into Bacolod is approximately 55 minutes. Then a time to stargate of 29,000. A warm welcome to our Mabuhay Miners on board.
Hi everyone, we're in Bacolod. Laki niyan with Ari Bobo.
Standing up. Touchdown Bacolod, first order of business.
Ano sila? Inasal. Ano sila? Sino may plane rice?
Guten Abend! Hello! Hey! 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 Hey!
I miss you so much. Miss Kagad, sir.
You meet us? Tara, let's show. Low tide kasi ngayon. Low tide. Alright. Low tide. Who's that? Pretty. Ari, where is my chatty line? Alessandra.
I'm thinking.
We are now here at Cucinata Restaurant. There you go. I'll take you there. Nauna na sila doon. Kasi yung steps medyo pataas. So we have to bring the baby, Hannah, and everyone there first. But look at this, guys. My gosh. This is in Bacolod City, sa taas. So, makit pa kami. Higher. No. Sorry.
Good, sir.
Meron na pa. Down. Even have mga folktale tambalos. Aesthetic. Here we are. No. Hi, Bebeng. Hello. Magkwento ka. Kamusta ang buhay-buhay? Okay, and then Oo. Oh, telepathy, no? Oo nga, tama. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for your comments.
I'm scared.
So this place na kung dito kami ngayon, it's Joe Max Peak. Ayan. May libre silang pakape sa amin. There's falls there. Solid. You can actually book the place now. So from what I've heard, per night is like 2.5, but you get to have this place overlooking, and then sabi nila you can even do campfires here. Solid. Meron pa silang African talisay na tinanim, oh. Laki na. So, sabi nung caretaker, this was built in 2001 and 10 years ago lang talaga na dinevelop. So, look how pretty it is. Look at the houses. Wow. Thank you, Lord, for the good weather. It was raining a while ago. Pagbigyan po tayo ng good weather. That's why nakakapagkape tayo. So that's 2.5. Just giving a tour of the place.
Sarap ng gising mo ah.
Mahaba-haba tulog niya eh.
Ah, long nap?
Iba talaga pag mahaba ang tulog niya.
Ay, model? Model ka na.
Ganda-ganda naman ng tawa. Happy-happy naman yan.
Ay, model.
What did you get? Nabawas na.
Napoleones.
Napoleones. Yeah.
Bali 1,000 years.
1,000 years po?
Yeah, this was found on top of a hill in Sagay City. Meaning that place, once upon a time, was part of the ocean floor. Okay?
10,000 years ago pa po.
10,000 years
At least.
ago. This one. This is a million years.
170.
Oo.
Ammonites.
Mahulog, okay lang po yan?
Wala pa matapos eh. Ito naman, this one, sa mga ilan, fossilized. Right?
Grabe po yung collection ninyo.
Wala na niya. So may ito bali somebody is explaining how this were formed.
Museum in Bacolod City. This is just for me. Na para sa akin, really rare. You know why? Original certificate of the Philippines from the United States. That's number 1. Mga artifacts ng different World War, may World War 1, World War 2. These are all artifacts. Hindi pa siya nailalagay sa mga hindi pa siya enclosed, hindi pa siya very bare pa siya. Look, ayan na, can you hold it pa. Grabe. And this is the actual US Army na uniform. My gosh. Cartridge.
Oh my gosh.
Look how big that is. And then they have this, yung Japanese war na iwan. This is, he has also a collection of this. Meron siya the smallest book. And then, actually made in Germany. Yeah? You can read it with a magnifying glass. A book of Mark Twain. God. He even has a piece of Berlin Wall. Meron din siyang alambre or wire of what separates North and South Korea.
What the hell?
So this is a really rare museum that we found here in Bacolod City. Wow. It's still in the making, no? Still in the making. Grabe. Things you see out of nowhere. Galing. Ito na. So, why are we here?
One restaurant.
21.
Kasi pag Mascara Festival, the whole street is closed.
And then,
Lacson Street is closed. Yung party yan dito.
kahit tong buong
The whole
street na
street.
yan. Okay.
So yung mga
So after party,
party,
dito sila pupunta.
parang gano'n. Hindi naman after party, like the whole street's party.
Tapos batchoy ang ano nila. Ito yung menu. Okay. The Sugarlandia Experience.
Sarap lahat.
Cool. Sige, the place is chic. It's quite chic.
Ano gusto mo siya?
Sige.
We can share batchoy, tapos let's get other food pa.
Ay, bibingkas lang ano. Ikaw.
Pag buntis, kailangan, ay buntis, pag nanganak, pag nanay, kailangan pinagbibigyan palagi. Okay. Ano tawag dyan? Okay. So, ito yung regular. Ito yung special with laman loob na clubhouse.
Huwag tayo magpipicture para maganda.
So since walang bibingka, we ordered the puto. Ayun. Wow.
Is it hot? Anyway.
Plain mo kaya mo lamang ng...
Lasa.
Mas masarap kaysa sa Ted's Lapas.
Malasa yung
malayo.
meat na.
Si ate naman yung mag-taste test.
Masarap kung may atay.
Ari, what can you say, Ari, baby? Ari Bongbong?
Sarap na.
Ari Bongbong?
Kasi prepare ko siya with.
Chat, i-help mo naman si ate.
Prepare ko siya with. Wait lang.
With puto. Masarap yung puto dito eh.
Bigas yan eh. Hindi yan harina.
Hi.
Okay. Okay.
Ari Bongbong.
Okay. Ate, help kita.
Eat.
Okay, go.
First bite mo si ate. What can you say?
Solid? Talaga?
Ito ba ito namin?
Sa Rojas. Alright.
Ganito din?
Ate approve, Aliana approve, Dean approve. Oh, too good. Kakainin muna kami.
Salamat, Gid.
Apa, thank you.
Nakalulot tayo sa sabaw.
Namit good.
Ayun, second time.
Pretty girl. Like super pretty girl.